Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Khatera.com. I'm on a homepage and I really love that you're showing good quality, unique images in the sliding banner. So that's really important. You've got a short tagline, you've got call to action, which is perfect. Your logo looks very professional, looks very memorable, which is important for brand building. You've got top menu as well. So I can look at your collections, your About Us page, blog, contact us, and so on. So that's really perfect from the user experience, which is great. I won't be able to review your content because it's not in English. However, I will be able to review your design. As you can see, this middle image has got plenty of text, which makes the title quite difficult to read. So remember to optimize the images so they're not very busy. They haven't got additional text, so the text within the title is easier to read. Also consider adding more featured products to the homepage. Give your visitors more content to browse, to click through. It will help to improve your SEO through the dwell time, and obviously to help your conversion rate, because people will be able to stay on the website for longer, to view more products, and obviously to buy as well. But the product page looks great. I love that you've got a call to action button above the fold. That's really important. You've got detailed descriptions. Remember also to add related products to this page, the product page template, so people don't have to click back and forth to view your products. They can just click and browse additional product this way, which is definitely going to improve your conversion rate and your user experience. As you can see, this chat button overlaps plenty of content, overlaps those social media links. So for example, I cannot click the Google Plus, and I think Google Plus is now discontinued. So so remember, perhaps maybe you can put it in a different position on the website. Also, there's no need to have two message us buttons. You can just leave this one because it's got better position, doesn't cover the content, and obviously is much smaller, and to get rid of this one. So yeah, I hope it helps, and let me know if you've got any questions.